Hi.
Hey.
So, COVID-19.
Well, we've been sort of sheltering in place for the last week or so, and we just wanted to reach out and tell you what's going on and what we have planned for the next little while.
Yeah. So what we're planning on doing is obviously still creating videos. We're not going to stop doing that. If anything, this is a good opportunity for us to create more videos for our viewers. And we want to do more cooking videos where it's trying to use items that's in your pantry.
Yeah, so we're going to be doing some simple, straightforward, but really tasty recipes that take advantage of things you're likely to have on hand. Because sometimes we do tend to like pretty fancy stuff, but we're going to try and keep it simple for the next little while so that it's things you can sort of play with at home while you are sheltering in place.
Yeah. Just want to put out there, we are quarantining. That's a tongue twister. Not because we're sick. We just want to put our part in preventing the spread of the infection. So we've been in quarantine for about
a week, or a little over a week.
Yeah, and we're going to continue to do so till the Ontario government decides that they want to lift the quarantine.
Safe to go outside.
Safe to go outside. Yeah. So
we'll be seeing more of you.
Do you want to mention though?
Oh.
We did do a live stream recently.
Oh, right.
And it went really well.
Yeah, we did an Instagram live, set up both of our phones so we could feed it to through both of our feeds. And people seem to enjoy it and respond, and we'll be doing more of that as well.
Yeah, we want to do more simple recipes, more behind the scenes, and I actually did a poll afterwards, and most people said they want to see more of that. And I think it helps to create that connection with other people who are cooped up at home as well, without feeling the need of being lonely or sad or all those other melancholy things. Oh man, I hope this is focused. Anyways, so what we forgot to mention about the live stream was that I was hoping that Instagram would archive it, even though I picked it in settings and it didn't. So I will show you one shot that I was able to get. This is my poor green garden did not winter too well, but it did better than last year. Anyways, I digress. I was able to get one single frame to at least show you how we had framed the shot for the live stream, but I was really hoping to get a video so I could do a speed through of it. Next time, hopefully I'll do a better job of actually archiving it and being able to show it to you guys, because we had a lot of fun. Yeah, I think we'll be doing more of that. So back to the regular program.
So this recipe, which we shot just the other day and we live broadcast on Instagram, is
I'm going to butchering it. Pasta Alle Vongole.
Pasta Alle Vongole, which means pasta with
Clams.
Clams, yes. We got what are little clams called pasta clams. They're little sweet clams. But for this recipe, the other thing that's great to always have is a can of canned clams. And you can get really good quality ones pretty much in any grocery store. And rather than steaming up fresh clams, which is what we did, you can just toss in a can of clams and it cooks up into a sauce, add in some pasta, and it's delicious.
I think it's about, what, 7
it's
to 10
almost
minutes of
It's
cooking?
almost an instant meal.
Yeah, just make sure you have boiling water ahead of time to cook the pasta. We used fresh pasta, which took 2 minutes to cook, but you can use box pasta and just read the instructions and follow it along from there.
That's it.
Yeah.
It's a simple, easy recipe, classic Italian flavors.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
And it's good leftovers too.
Yeah.
So, here we go. stay connected. Let's not feel lonely, and we'll get through this. This too shall pass. Okay, I think the best thing is for me to go away. Agreed?
Yeah, we don't need to make it sound like lips. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Nice.
I want to get every little bit of the parsley. Ready?
Yeah.
As thinly chopped as possible. Wow, parsley.
It is.
Okay. Just want it to be chopped so finely. It's because we're actually going to toss it into the pasta at the very end with residual heat, and it should cook the parsley a little bit. The finer it is, the sweeter it's going to be.
Garlic.
Yeah. That's what I want to show. Cut off the butt.
If you could just angle yourself, like rotate, no, the other way.
This way?
Yeah, that way I can see a little clearer what you're doing.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay. Shall we play?
Oh, twist would be nice, yeah. Hold on. Keep your body clear.
Yep.
Do me a
Ready? Shot for the thumbnail. Yep. Just leave it in place. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching.
Sorry about this. And we'll be, unlike politicians, we'll eat on camera. Mm. Mm. Mm.
That turned out good.
Mm-hmm. Nice and briny.
Yeah. Sorry.
Mm.
Sorry, snappity snap. I saw your thing too late. Thanks so much, guys, for watching.
Hey there.
You'll see it later, but your guy, yeah, blah, blah. Speak English, not speaking English. I'm too hungry. Okay, I'm going to sign off.
Me too. We'll see
Thanks,
you all
everyone.
soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.